My dear friend, as we are well aware that we are describing the persecution of the Jews that is belong to the Israel country and the holy community according to the Torah, the book of the Judaism. The persecution of the Jews, this is the fourth video by the Nazis, that is the Hitler. This persecution of Jews totally against humanity and irrelevant, because how we can say that Jesus was not Jew? As per perfect information, Jesus Christ himself was Jew and his parents were also Jews. So Jesus crucifixion as well as highly critical due to it was highly against humanity and tyranny against a kind-hearted. But this is perfectly confirmed that Jesus Christ never started a new cult. So Jesus crucifixion, but it was not a Christian crucifixion, but this was in between Jesus to Jews or the Jesus. So the killing of Jews was absurd, wherein whimsical, dogmatic, irrelevant, insane nature of the Christians. Those who are involved in the killing of the Jews in large scale, who were are innocents. Killing the Jews in Germany was the great stupidity by Nazi German people. Nazi Germany stated between 1943 to 1945, and until 1943 it was the German Reich. When Hitler and Nazi ruled the Germany, Adolf Hitler was born on 20th April 1889 and killed by suicide in 30th April 1944. The both incidents occurred in the month of the April. I think who are born in April have something wrong in their concept, or they are totally misconcepted by due to the birth in the April month. Adolf Hitler was initiated the world war, and I will remind you that Saddam Hussein also born on 29th April. Adolf Hitler was initiated the world war, invaded on Poland 1 September 1939, and he was responsible at least 60 lakhs Jews murder. However, some says that it was 50 lakhs, but 50 lakhs is not uh, numerically is a very strong number, not a very few number, or not a very small number. And he was responsible at least 60 lakh Jews murder, means he was totally fool and imperialist against the weaker section under the Hitler rule. Germany quickly became a totalitarian. Totalitarianism is a concept for a government or political party or system that restricts all opposite parties system. Means total dictatorship as in the Islamic and the communist countries. It is also known as authoritarianism, autocrats who employ all encompassing campaign in which propaganda is broadcasted by the state controlled mass media. As Indians were in the same condition when Srimati Indira Gandhi was imposed emergency. So she was the cruel as Hitler, and everybody was under distress. So we can say only one person is a lawmaker, and a law broker is known as autocracy. The state of mind of the applicant can be seen in mental asylum all over the world. On 30th January 1933, Adolf Hitler was appointed Chancellor of Germany, and Hitler's priority was to kill the Jews. Instead of the development, and approximately 60 lakhs Jews were killed by this butcher. During the Holocaust from 1939 to 1945, death squads of the Nazis were known as the Initiate Gruppen to conduct the mass killing or the genocides of the innocent Jews in Germany and Poland. By 1942, Nazi Germany decided the ethnic cleansing of the Jews of whole Europe, and it was under peace in the extermination camp for only especially killings Jews, rather Holocaust of Jews and other also which were opposed the Hitler were also beheaded. As in Islamic Kingdom of India, the killing of Jews resembled with as any corporate operation or industrial method. Many Jews were put into gas chambers of many type hazardous gases. These gases were asphyxiating, suffocating with the poisonous gas or suffocated with poisonous gas as hydrogen cyanide, CO2 carbon dioxide, and CO or the carbon monoxide. Jews were killed by shooting also. After killing, their bodies were often searched out for any valuable or useful material such as gold fillings or hair or for wig, and their bodies were buried in mass graves or burned, and many Jews were died due to starvation and common distress due to ill nutrition. Few Jews fled away from campus as Auschwitz concentration camp was the complex of 40 concentration camps for killing the Jews. In 1940, the Auschwitz commandant reported the local peoples are fanatically police and others prepared to take any action against hated the Teutostrafel camp personnel every prisoner. This is the police name. Very difficult to pronunciation. Whoever managed to escape can count the help the moment he reached the wall of the first police farmstead. Mass genocide of Jews in the Russia and the Soviet Union. This persecution was in 19th century imperialist Russia, which included much of the Poland, Ukraine, Moldova, and the Baltic states coast of Baltic Sea, land as Estonia, Latvia, and the Lithuania. Moldova, the Republic of Moldova, a landlocked country, its capital is Chisinau. This persecution of Jews were under the kingdom of Tsarist Russia. Many Jews were restricted to Jewish pale of settlement, meaning Jews could not go beyond their restricted job under the Charter of 15 May 1882 by the Tsar or by the Tsar Alexander. Those locations which were given by Tsar, Jews were forbidden to transact any business, issuing of mortgages and other deeds to the Jews. They could not purchase and sell the properties outskirts of the city. There were many restrictions on Jews and the provoked mass-scale violence. The Tsarist government implemented many programs for isolating the Jewish community. According to the protocol of the Eater of the Zion, Jews were objected of the fabricated anti-Semitic text purporting to describe a Jewish plan for global domination. The plan, the hoax is a falsehood, deliberation, fabricated to masquerade as the truth. It is distinguishable from errors in observation or judgment. Rumors, urban legends, pseudoscience, and the April Fool's Day event that was shown to the plagiarized from earlier sources. Some not anti anti-Semitic in nature was first published in Russia in 1903. The Tsarist government implemented programs which ensured that the Jews would remain isolated. However, the government tolerated their religious and the national institution as well as their rights to immigrate. The restriction and the discrimination laws, many Jews of Russia became liberal and the socialist. According to Leon Trotsky, Jews considered themselves neither Jews nor Russian but socialist to them. Jews were not a nation but a class of exploitation, whose fate was so dissolved and assimilation in the aftermath of the Tsarist Russia. Jews found themselves in a tragic. Conservative Russians saw them as a disloyal element, subversive, and the radicalized saw them as a disloyal element, subversive, and the radicals viewed the Jews as a doomed social class. In Soviet Union, Jews, even though many of the Bolsheviks were ethnically and they sought to uprooted Judaism and the Zionism and established the Yaskatsia, a Jewish part of the Russian Soviet Union Communist Party. In order to achieve this goal by the end of 1940, Communist leadership of the former USSR had liquidated almost all Jewish organizations with exception few token synagogues. These synagogues were then placed under police surveillance. The campaign 1948 to 1953 against ruthless cosmopolitan, the alleged doctor plot in which many doctors of the Jews and others in 1951 to 1953 a group of predominantly Jews doctors from Moscow was accused of the conspiracy to assassinate Soviet leaders. This was opened in public demand and it was seen as a conspiracy against Joseph Stalin in the media, which talked about the threats of the Zionism and condemned people with Jewish surname. Zionism means Jews were united for a separate country. Inside the USSR, a Jew state in the territory defined as the historical land of the Israel. Many doctors, both Jews and the non-Jews, were promptly dismissed from their jobs, arrested and tortured to produce admission accept the crime, not school admission. A few weeks after the death of Stalin, the new Soviet leadership said there was a lack of evidence and the case was dropped. Soon after, it was declared to have been fabricated. Beginning of the Jewish persecution with 28 March 22 cause without cause in Soviet Union, even old Bolsheviks, an unofficial designation for the number of Bolshevik faction of the Russian Social Democratic Party. Before the Russian Revolution of 1917, many old Bolsheviki became leading politicians and bureaucrats in the Soviet Union and the communist ruling party. Many Bolsheviks were used ethnically. They sought to uproot Judaism and Jainism in order to establish the Yevsektasia, a Jewish section of the Soviet Communist Party. The section was established after 1917, that is fall of 1980, with consent of the Vladimir Lenin to carry the communist revolution. In order to achieve the goal, by the end of the 1940, the communist leadership of the former USSR had liquidated almost all Jewish organizations. Synagogues were the place under police surveillance. In 1948, 1953, so the called ruthless cosmopolitans, the alleged doctor killing the rise of Zionology and the subsequent activities of the official organization such as the anti-Zionist community of the Soviet public were carried out under the anti-Zionism umbrella, and by the mid 1950 the state persecution of Soviet Jews emerged as a major human right. So we can say the how the Hitler and the Soviet Union penalized the Jews without knowing any cause, or this treacherousness of the Communist Party of the USSR and the treacherousness of the Nazi Germany Adolf Hitler, both are the most hard criminals against the Jews, but lesser than the Muhammad, because Muhammad was the most hardcore criminal against the Jews because he killed so many Jews, and himself he was belong to the Quraysh tribe and the Hashim clan, which were the Jews ethnically. And in Saudi Arabia, all the Arabia, Egypt, Syria were the predominantly majority of the Jews in these parts of the world. But now we see the Jews are only living in the Israel in a very limited in other countries, and only the population of the Jews almost or less than 2 crores. But they are so brave that they are fighting against the Islamic Gunism. But we Hindus are so coward that we cannot fight against this Gunism of Islam, due to the rogue elements inside the Hindus, Buddhist. They are propagating the Islamic Gunism to praise them, or to say the happy greetings to the Eid and other Islamic festivals, which are the symbol of the Gunism, dictatorship, and the criminology. Thank you very much.